The system uses a watched folder located on the network share at CK2 Workflows. Inside this directory, there is a hot folder for each workflow you create. When you create a new workflow, K2 will automatically generate a corresponding hot folder. Similarly, if you rename a workflow, K2 will rename its associated hot folder. For example, I'm going to create a workflow called 8up book. K2 will automatically create a new hot folder for this workflow. The system will monitor this folder for incoming files and process them using the 8up book workflow I've just set up. To submit a job, I can simply drag the file into that folder. The system will automatically pick up the file and process it accordingly.